Hey guys, welcome to another Homelab Series video today. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to install Rustpad. So Rustpad is actually kind of a nice collaboration tool that you can use kind of for like pair programming, where essentially it's like Google Docs, where when you make a change, you can actually see the change almost in real time when they make it, so that you can actually do pair program a lot better. Especially now that, you know, lots of people that work remotely, it's kind of hard to be like, hey, let's like pair program, and only one person shares their screen, and you're like, well, I guess I'm just watching now. So this might help, and yeah, so I'll show you how to install it. This video is also sponsored by me, myself, and I. So if you enjoy my content or want to sponsor me or send me some free swag, let me know. My email's in the description below. So let's get started, guys. Alright, so what we'll do here is we will log into our server here. I think it was 55. And we will install Docker here. Give me one second. Yum config manager. We'll add the Docker repository here. HTTPS download docker.com linux CentOS docker ce.repo, and then we'll do yum install docker ce. So while that installs, we will set up our DNS here. So we'll log into our GitLab instance, go to our DNS repo, and we will edit our zone file. So here we go. Make sure we update the serial number here, and then add the entry. So Rustpad in, make an A record, and enter the IP, and then we'll commit. Add a Rustpad. Alright, so then we can go look at Rustpad's GitHub here. GitHub is pretty simple. They actually just have a Docker image here that we can just run, and essentially it is wrapped around Warp and a few other things with React and whatnot. So in case you do want to do a little bit more exploring or development work, you can check out the GitHub. But essentially what we will be doing is just kind of going through the Docker Hub repository, pulling this image, and then just running it. So nothing too fancy. We'll just run the deployment right here. You can obviously make this into like a Docker config file and do it, but we'll just do it by default to show you guys. So let's now enable Docker. Enable Docker and start Docker. And then we'll actually run the docker command to pull the image. Ooh. Copy, paste, there we go. So pull it locally, run it, and then we can also see it actually running on 3030. So what we'll do here is pull up http rustpad.dragon.local 3030. So now you can see, there's a good old doc mode, we'll slap that. You can see that we're in a session in here, and we're anonymous. So we can obviously, you know, this is a text file, so on and so forth. But the cool thing about this is, like, say for example, I wanted to share this link out with other people, right? So I can, didn't copy this link. Wow. Okay. Apparently it just doesn't like copying like that. Okay. And now you can see I am in the same session. So if I were to edit, you can see that I am editing, and it shows up both. So essentially both people, or you can even have multiple people. I don't know what the limit is. I haven't tested that out. But you can have multiple people actually write code at the same time, or be like, hey, I'm highlighting this. Can you tell me what this part means or what that part means? So you can write code, make notes. It's pretty nice. You can also select the language. So like in this case, we can do like, I was hoping Bash, but you could do like Python, Ruby. Oh, Shell is probably what it is. So you can do like hashtag bin bash whatnot, and it's pretty nice. So like you can see, I think it's kind of color coded a little bit, so you can see like where everyone is on like red, orange, or whatnot. So, but that's pretty much it. You can do some pair programming. You can easily share or comment and ask about things in this shared session. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.